Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today's topic is India's biodiversity. In my last lecture, we discussed what is biodiversity, levels of biodiversity and causes and threats to biodiversity. Now, biodiversity represents everything that lives on Earth. Biodiversity or biological diversity refers to the number, variety, and variability of living organisms on Earth, including plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi. Total biodiversity of our Earth is immense. India is a country which is rich in biodiversity. It has a wide range of landforms and climates resulting in variety of habitats ranging from high mountains, tropical deciduous forests, alpine and desert. India is on one of the 19 megadiversity countries of the world with mere 2.4 percentage of total land area of world. It accounts for 7.6 percentage of global biodiversity. It is home to 410 species of mammals. Some of them are Asiatic lion found in Gujarat, leopards all across the India, tiger in varied areas such as Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and South India, endangered golden langur of Assam, Asiatic elephant found in many areas of country. Other mammal species other mammal species. It holds around 1215 species of birds, and in birds, India ranks among the top 10 bird diverse countries of the world. Some are critically endangered like Great Indian Bustard, Bengal floricans, and beautiful birds like bar-headed geese that fly from Himalayas, spectacular Sarus crane, and ever beautiful water birds and near threatened hornbill. It is home to 240 types of amphibians. 62% of them are unique to our country. Snakes and other 460 species of reptiles, 2,546 species of fishes, which make up 11.7% of world species, thousands of different kinds of insect, over 15,000 species of flowering plants. India is home to more than 50,000 species of plants, including a variety of endemic species. At least 10% of India's plant species and a larger percentage of its animal species are threatened. The cheetah and the pink-headed duck are amongst well-known species that have become extinct. All these are part of our nation's heritage and we should be proud of it. This biodiversity is not just found in forests but also very near to our home. Urbanization is leading these animals and birds and other now losing their habitats, or we could say we have encroached the areas of these beautiful creatures. Our biodiversity, planet biodiversity, provides all that we need: energy, water, air, food, material. As human population continues to grow, so does our impact on environment. We are destroying natural resources, wildlife and habitat, and so the diversity that we depend on for survival at devastating pace. Biodiversity is dropping everywhere and fast. This is catastrophic for nature. We talk climate change and a lot, but biodiversity loss is as important an issue. Human can take charge of our future and save our environment and planets. Thank you.